So hello everyone, good morning. So today I am going to discuss about navigation view in swiftui. What is navigation view? A view for representing stack of view. A view for representing stack of view and representing a visible path in navigation hierarchy. Now first of let's create example and now check on this. So command n which have a create on this view. So this is the first view. Now create on the first view and command n which have a create on the second view. Navigation only stack of view hierarchy. Second view. So this is the second view and command n which have a third view. And now we're gonna create on this command n which have a fourth view. Let's get on the fourth view. Okay, so now we're gonna get on this data and this is the a stack of view is called navigation view. Now we're gonna get on this state property, changing state private var is next screen, which is type of integer optional. Okay, and in this property same axis on this each view, second view and third view. Okay, and now we're gonna create on this first view design. We're gonna create on this v stack and first of all we are going to implement a navigation view and add on this multiple stack to add hierarchy in navigation view. Now we're gonna create on design. So first is text and this is the first view and we're gonna apply on this conditions. So this is the last titles and weight is bold and color is yellow. Resume on this stack first view. Suppose this note is the yellow, this is the blue. Okay, now we're gonna get on this spacer, add on this dot frame and height which is type of 60 spacer. Now we're gonna get on this button and axis button, on tap the button and open a next screen. So this is screen is equal to 1 tag. And now we're gonna get on this text by using tag navigation link. The next screen and we're gonna apply on this next foreground color is red and weight is bold, font is headline. Now we're gonna apply on this dot frame on this button, frame dot frame, suppose which have frame is 300 width and 40 height and alignment is remove. And we're gonna apply on this dot background color, so which have a color dot purple and we're gonna apply on this foreground color is white color. Okay, and now create on this design. So first of all we're gonna create on this navigation link is which is used to multiple destination screens. So this we can just tag, and though this is the tag is 1 and selection bind on this property is next screen. Okay, and we can use the destination second view. Our second view create on this destination second view. Okay, now in this v stack create a design, copy and second view we're gonna same designing on the second view. So this is the second view. Okay, second view and this tag is 2 and this is the tag is 2 and this tag is 2. Okay, and this is the destination is third view and same design copy on the third views and create a design, and this is the third view. Okay, Now let's this is the 3, destination is 3, and now we're gonna fourth view. Okay, is next in done, and then fourth view we're gonna create on this design. So text hello world resume, and now check on this reason why. And destinations, suppose we can check on this error navigation link. So navigation link, and the tag is suppose which have 1 and has selection dollar and is next screen. And suppose destination is second view which have a destination same just like. Okay, now and we're gonna add on the same navigation view third screen, and this tag is 2. Okay, and this is the third screen, third view, that like. And you're gonna check on this third screen view, and this is the tag on this 3 and fourth view. Now let's check, and we're gonna add on this tag on the fourth view hello world, and hello world navigation complete, and you're gonna apply on this dot padding. Okay, now this is the first view, and then on this applications and first view, press on this next screen. What is navigation view? A view for representing stack of view representably visible path in the navigation hierarchy, and press next screen. This is the second view, and this is the third view, and hello world navigation complete. Back on this next another screen. Okay, by using navigation view, superb design on this swiftui, and just like a UI kit UI navigation controller, navigation view hierarchy add on this multiple view by using navigation view. Okay, thank you.